Hello viewer, today we will demonstrate on how to terminate signal cable's connection to PLC pin correctly. But first, we have to prepare the tools, the cables, and cable ferrules. It is compulsory to make sure that there is no power connected to the PLC to prevent any short circuit during installation. Before we make the measurement, we have to identify the location of the PLC slot and the tagging of the cable from the schematic drawing. For example, I will choose the slot 2, PLC DO card, at pin B1. As per drawing, we had identified that pin B1 at DO card is connected to terminal block 120. The cable length should be ideal, which is not too long and not too short. A longer cable will make the panel messy, while shorter cable will stress the cable. Cut the cable using the right tool. Wear glove for the hand that holding the cable to prevent from cut. Strip the cable insulation at the end properly to prevent the copper inside to be cut. It is recommended for you to inspect the cable so that the cable is clean and free from fraying. Next, check the cable tagging and confirming it before inserting the cable ferrule. The cable tagging is required as it is very important for future reference and can avoid confusion. Insert the cable ferrules and it is ready to be crimped with the cable crimper. We are needed to make sure the correct pin to terminate the cable. We can check the wiring diagram of the PLC from the manual to identify the location of the B1 pin. Loosen the screw for the B1 pin. Insert the ferruled end of the cable into the pin and tighten the screw to secure the cable. Next, loosen the screw for the terminal 120. Insert the other ferruled end of the cable into the terminal and tighten the screw to secure the cable. After termination, we need to ensure the cable is securely connected and there is no risk of it coming loose, and we also require to check there is no stray strands are exposed that could cause a short circuit.
Meanwhile,